What are you learning in math now?
Division in a third grade, but I already know a little bit about it.
You already know division? Really? Wow, that's cool.
My studies in college actually were in engineering, and that really came from a love of problem solving and hands-on work. I enjoyed the topics a great deal, but I found I liked to work and interact with people more. Eventually, I found that a lot of the same principles I learned in undergraduate education applied to this field of medicine. Airway, airflow, pressures in the airway, production of voice. I've brought that into the field of medicine, and I don't go through a day without a smile on my face from the kids. I'm Roger Nuss. I'm a pediatric otolaryngologist at Boston Children's Hospital. I find that otolaryngology, and in particular pediatric otolaryngology, is just a great mix of clinical outpatient work as well as surgical skills in the operating room. A lot of these kids will have disorders of their voice, hoarseness, weak breathy voices, difficulties that were created from prior surgical procedures years ago. We'll do an examination to discover the cause of their voice trouble and then talk about what's the best means of treating them, whether it's therapy, surgery, or some combination of those. Rather than do this in isolation, I just really so enjoy learning from other fields. Boston Children's has an incredible history of very talented clinicians as well as researchers working together to provide high-quality care for children. I think the other thing that we do particularly well is we're kind to kids. We treat them respectfully. We're patient. We take our time to explain what we're doing, how the procedure will happen, and what they can expect. I try to work closely with parents and families to make sure that we're getting the real picture of what's going on. And I feel like this kind of personalized approach to care delivery is very rewarding, and I think it's the best way to do it.
So you're a good ear checker-upper, right? Yeah. Beautiful.
I've really found kids are the most rewarding and fun to work with. They're honest, they enjoy a good time. We play games as we do our examinations. Also, it's so nice to see children grow and develop. Some of the children I've taken care of years and years ago are now parents themselves. So I'm seeing children of kids that I once took care of. So I can't imagine doing anything else.